Google Sheets has built-in functionality to make it easier to filter data alphabetically, numerically, or by color. Start by opening up a Google Sheet with the data that you want to sort. You can see that our fictitious data consists of 10 people's names, birth dates, location, and age. If we want to filter by any of these parameters, select a cell that contains the data and then click the Create a Filter button in the menu bar. You'll notice that filter arrows appear at the header of each column. If we click the filter in the name column, we can sort the names alphabetically. If we select the birthday column, we can sort from newest to oldest or oldest to newest. If we select the age column, we can sort from youngest to oldest or oldest to newest. If we apply colors to each line to denote some other information about each person, we could group the data by color as well. Once we have randomly assigned color, we can click the filter and then go Sort by Color. I'll place this sample file in the link below so you can give it a try yourself.